Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the red thruster, ultra thruster, which is this one. So first, you're going to want to build a simple glitch code. Also, don't forget to bring a Canon video. Go to this stage. Go to this area. Shoot it. And touch the chest. And you're done. You get the ultra thruster. But I don't get it.